Jeff, Ryan, and Wayne are his co-anchors. Each of them is a rather odd character, right? So Jeff is the co-anchor, who's also a plumber, desperately trying to plug all of the leaks in Colin. Wayne is going to be the sportscaster who's also going through an entire crazy weekend in Vegas. And Ryan, you are the weather forecaster who's also acting out a war movie in 30 seconds. Whenever you're ready, gentlemen, take it away.
Welcome to the 6 o'clock news. I'm your anchor, Seymour, got new glasses. Our top story today, triumph turned to tragedy when the scientist who actually cloned the first human being pushed that same person out of a window for making inappropriate remarks. The police are charging him with making an obscene clone fall. Let's see what else is happening in the world with Terry.
Thank you. In Tucson, Arizona tonight, a family is still wondering where their dog went. Oh, dear. Oh, boy. 1 moment, please. Just hold still. Hold still. Their dog ran away Saturday afternoon. And the neighborhood is all... Oh, that's not going to work either. Got a cough drop here. This is just... Neighbors around the community are putting... Oh, dear, that's not going to be good either. Neighbors around the community are flocking together right now to find their dog. Back to you.
Let's see what's happening in the world of sports.
Let's see what's gonna happen this weekend in sports. And if I were a betting man, which I am, I would say that I'll put 30 on the Seahawks. Oh, you know what? Wouldn't be bad if I put another 20, another 100. Nothing. Excuse me, 2 over here, baby. Nothing would go. That's awesome. Ooh, what do you mean I lost? Oh, okay. Don't get my money back. All right. Okay, here you go. Just woo. I'm black. Oh, what do you mean I lost? Okay, all right, hold on. This was from my grandmama's. I gotta get some. Please give me back my money. Please give me back my money. I ain't got no home. Back to you.
Let's see what's happening with weather.
It's maybe the last time I do the weather. I'm doing the weather for America. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Why? Why? Back to you.
Well, that's all our news. Good night and good news.
1,000 points to Ryan and Wayne for just affecting me very emotionally.
It's supposed to make... Duck, Aisha, duck!
500 points to Colin for tolerating something up his nose.
Those mentholated cough drops really burn.